So many nights trying to hide it, but now I stay awake just pleading for more. To think this heart was divided, I'm losing sleep, 'cause I can't ignore feeling your touch all around, and peaceful and hearing the sound of silence around us. I'm so glad we found us this way. Yeah. Finally hearing your walls, now I'm wondering where you've always been. And blindly I came to you knowing you'd breathe new life from within. I can't get enough of you. Oh, I wanna be where you are. In times of need, I just want you to stay. I'll leave a note on your car when I can't find the right words to say. Hearing your voice all around, the last place we're going is down, and I'll blindly follow, knowing you're leading the way. Yeah. Find me hearing your walls, now I'm wondering where you've always been. And blindly I came to you knowing you'd breathe new life from within. Yeah. With you in time, there's nothing else. My life stands still. You are the will that makes me strong. Make me strong. If ever alone in this world, I know I'll always find me hearing your walls. Now I'm wondering where you've always been. And blindly I came to you knowing you'd breathe new life from within. Oh, and you sleep here in my arms where the world just shuts down for a while. And blindly you came to me, finding peace and belief in this smile. Find some peace and belief in this smile. We'll find some peace and belief in this smile. I can't get enough of you. Oh.